I have seen that most of the people are acclimatized to doing physical stuff, thinking that doing more physically will equate to more results. Uh, in some way, there's truth to that because there are labor jobs that are require really physical things to bring that about. But at the same time, uh, I have been in that kind of system as well, and then just because of my state of being, imagination that led me to think about freedom, feel about freedom, and not so much physical hardship. So basically, in my journey in my life, after how many years of being a slave of the matrix, I found a way to make it much easier for me, which I don't need to be in a rat race, basically. So my teaching for this video is basically, you don't need to struggle. You can find a way, make a way to make your life easier. So it's just mostly fun and enjoyment, hanging out with friends, time is precious and you need to set up your life, create a story that you're really proud of. And I hope that you guys manifest this. Good morning, guys. Take care and peace.